Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Valorant graphics drivers crashed. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, you need to identify what GPU you're using if you don't know. So what you can do here, on search you can go to device manager, and then you need to look for, as you can see here, display adapters, and here it will be you will see what GPU you're using. I'm using NVIDIA, maybe you're using AMD, so you need to first know what graphic card you're using. And if you're using NVIDIA, then I highly suggest you to update your drivers through GeForce Experience. Just open up GeForce Experience, and if you don't have it, just download it, and then go to drivers, and here press check for updates and update your GPU to the latest drivers. Same with an AMD. You just need to probably know how to update your drivers, right? And if you don't know, just look for a tutorial because I'm not using AMD, so I don't really know how to do that. But if you're using, you probably know, just update your GPU drivers. And then if you're using NVIDIA, you can go to Valorant and then go to details and make sure you optimize your settings here. As you can see here, press optimize button, and then what you need to do here next is to update your operating system. So just on search, look for check for updates and press check for updates here and see if there is an update for you to ready to download and install. And if there is, just download, install, and reboot your computer here, and the problem should be fixed. Right, so that's pretty much it what I want to show you, and if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care, bye.